India's outstanding diversity of religions, languages and cultures is unique and unmatched. It has beautiful green crops that fill our land with greenery. It also has many rivers flowing through fertile soil, a variety of flowers, plants and animals. Number 1. It's surrounded by rolling hills dotted with tea plantations established in the late 19th century. Number 4. Lonar Crater, Maharashtra. World's oldest meteoroid crater. Lonar crater sits inside the Deccan Plateau, a massive plain of volcanic basalt rock created by eruptions some 65 million years ago. Its location in this basalt field suggested to some geologists that it was a volcanic sea. Number 5. Khajia, Himachal Pradesh. Having large area of grassland. Khajia Hill is located with genuine feeling of nature taking care of those coming here. All these aspects lead to another deduction: topographic similarity to Switzerland.